If I found out Rilla Voice was being taken away from my business, I would feel like we just went back 20 years. I'd feel like we're in the Stone Age again. There's no way I would go back. My name is John Whitfield. I'm the general manager of Mister Sparky, a residential home service provider of electrical repairs. In today's fast-paced sales environment, it is super important to partner with a company like Rilla because you have to be with your techs, you have to do ride-alongs with them, you have to hear what they're saying, and there's just not enough of you to go around.
My name is Aaron Childress. I'm the Regional General Manager for Mister Sparky Houston in the DFW area. Rilla Voice has benefited me as a upper line manager to be able to overview the managers that are using it, the technicians that are using it, getting in there and seeing the analytics, not only to the delivery of service that we're providing, but who is actually looking and wanting to become better by reviewing other techs and learn from each other. I think it's pulled our team closer together. So it's really started to become peer on peer instead of manager on peer.
Using Rilla has increased our average ticket for our technicians by 25%. I don't know of anything I've ever used before that has increased average ticket by 25%. I've been doing this for over 20 years. Just with my ability to pinpoint technicians that need help and then helping them, and then they're buying of the software. They love using it. That's not just good for our company, but that's great for our employees too. If you're thinking about bringing Rilla Voice to your business, I would tell you to stop thinking about it and just try it. I think the first day that you're on it, when you see the scalability, the ease of use, and how much more time it's going to give you to impact your technicians on a much greater scale, you're going to wonder, how did we do this before we had Rilla Voice?